on the phone. Me say me hook to the phone. Me say when me watch how Andrew only say walk and I greet the people them and I talk to the people them and they touch the people them and I interact. Me say yeah, what I come at me here. Me I feel wonder people can't. Well, me know say people wicked. Me can't believe they're so wicked to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister one smaddy. Me hear Miss Chin do a live the other morning. I get the video and I was listening to it. When she had this up whosoever. And I said, what do you want from the Prime Minister? What do you want the Prime Minister to do? Me I say, yes, Miss Chin. I saw if you start deal with them. Sometimes me grieve and not pet them up, but me understand. So you can't go on too barbaric, but me understand. But me I tell you, say, you fit diss them up too because how them deal with when you go up on their life and how them class labor right and how them deal with them. Yo, I told me that sometimes me text on if you don't see that little picture here, my little granddaughter, the funny. Sometimes me text all some BC and then move on to BC. Sometimes me text in money life when me hear them a cuss out, You know, see it? And I tell you, no, if you take down now one day, cut him up. But I mean, then so disgusting. Oh my God. Then this disgusting suddenly look bad. The distant man and his wife. Look what the people them have built up Jamaica and the idiot people them can't see it. Yesterday when me I look the man got Rockford. Look on the infrastructure that the man have put in. Them people did a few much home years and nothing done for them and the people them say PMP. Me can't believe man say wrong with them. Them are descendants from the devil, from Satan in hell. Them the people they come from. Wicked them. When me hear how you explain how things trickle down to the normal man. You understand? Well, I soon have to go talk to them for they understand, but I'll if I talk to them and carry it right down to the T like that. Some of them yeah still shit. May I tell you? You explain it very good. Me I tell you, say then yeah, it's still shit. Me don't know what to do them. But as a matter of fact, as you know, they want handout. Yeah, sometimes me I look past some of them and talk about nothing not going. And why we are suffering, nothing not going. What? You suffer. They can't do Jamaica and suffer. Sometimes I talk to some people where I say when they're Jamaica, your neighbor have a breadfruit tree, you might have a coconut tree. Go down the road, down there say you can't get 2 mango. You go there say you get 100 banana. So there's the people left in here and what food them come on back with. When for me husband got church, the amount of sitting when come back home with me first to him say, no man, why keep people give so much food? Where you get that in a foreign here? And they always compare Jamaica to over here and go like over here better. You do lock up in a house. If you're not going to work, you lock up in a house. You can't call your neighbor and go beg this and go beg that or somebody give you this and give that. Then people then if you go work, then love and out too much. Then just go on like they want the Prime Minister to just drive around the island every weekend and present them with food and money before they can say something.
Yes, and that's for them chicken done. You hear me, Sibet? And that's for them chicken done. Grandson care package. So and government must give them 10,000 every month in every household. Package every household. A month time, and that's for them chicken done.
Then wicked. Mr. When me and Miss China say, but the girl them then just they breathe and have up the wall for picnic. I hear you talk something this morning. And make me tell you something, a real talk. You think like a people they on part when not deserve for the panic and who the panic. Who for the panic can't get on panic because in an office there be a PMP working on them place there and then put on them.
Pure PMP, Mr. Vet. Pure PMP. Aluna Samba. Listen, look here now. Aluna Samba during fear time. Them farmer civic group and then dispatch them PMP operatives them all over these agencies and these bodies. And some of them did it for 30 and 40 a year. And them again June is a problem right now.
But me know all the way. Me not ask. I tell you. Me know that. I am telling you that happened.
Oh God, good, Mr. Vet. Everything they do, them have to confess. Ronald Tweet have to come back and confess. All if I know him do it, him have to confess for who do it. So the greatest transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich under him government. Them say the next one confess, whatever him name. So they could have done better. And one next one confess the PMP do nothing for Jamaica. You see how God good? Then he and not, they have to confess for all themselves.
They have to confess for themselves. And let me tell you something, anything where you want to confess, the whole of them know about it. As you know, always talk about their script, and their script when they have. Them just have that script there and unleash them wickedness on Jamaican people. And boy, I don't know who make the people them so fool. I don't know who a PMP do them make them a follow back.
Them a try say, listen to me, Miss Yvette. What them a try do? Through them curve, enough of them youth a mother and father in a sympathy, out of in a hardship. Them vex now. Them vex to see the JLP now offer sympathy and sympathy alone in a hardship. The JLP sympathize with you in a hardship, but then give you an opportunity. The PMP sympathize with you and stop it at sympathy. All then, don't worry yourself, man. Check me this week, check the counselor next week. Check me this week, check the counselor next week. And that's all them do have the people that give them care package and look small checks. Whereas Andrew Holly set up systems in place for a man no longer be a dependent man, but him be a skilled and a certified man, can get in little contract now and again and sustain himself, having little money in his pocket. When Mark Golden and his Tapanari's friend them do Miss Yvette, them vex to stay. The reach of wealth I go to average Jamaicans now and not one specific set of family. So no longer the wealth in a Jamaica is being dispersed nor controlled by one set of family in a Jamaica. Andrew One is loosen it up and make it background level. All that we can reach now for putting the work or the efforts and have the patience. No longer now, yeah, put in the effort and you can't reach. For you put in the real effort in the real places, business-wise, you go boom in a business once you have it the right place because the economy allow for people to have good spending power. All of them have them best spending power. Them have a good spending power. And I vex the PMP vex now because Mark Golden and Tapanari's friend them alone now pull up a stoplight in a Range Rover. So 200 holes and make things go in place and now and some people can, some average man can pull up a stoplight in a fat Benz and Beamer. Matalan them vex because for them family them alone and then Tapanari's friend them did say drive them there. When they look and they see the 3-story house, then we are go up in a Jamaica and that's some average man from what they call ghetto, I build them. And they must see how rapid these houses are built in the so-called ghetto. Mark Golden them not glad because it means that when for them big Tapanari's friend them start sell house. By the time them done build house to sell, most Jamaicans own house already. So I think them a try to take your wealth. And it now happen.
A 2 year talk. Me say a 2 year talk. Me say, yo, what the me tell say, yo, that alive you hot today. Me say, man, you spill the truth. Me say, man, me tell you listen to it. Boy, he come like I might wake up. Every man he make wake up to catch the first one, the second one, and for the whole day. Trust me. Mr. Chu, yeah, them bad mind. They don't like to see how the country.
Bad mind, sister, bad mind, and nothing more than bad mind. A bad mind. If you show him come from Spanish town and achieve so much, and then give them an example to others, and then him go put in place systems now to make people can actually reach where him reach, not being a prime minister, but being a wealthy man in Jamaica. They don't love that because they control the wealth in Jamaica. I never me can tell nobody say they want to control Jamaica for them Tapanari's friend. Miss Yvette, the word Tapanari's have a meaning in the dictionary. And you look at man tell them at all, they put up in hand and say power. He man not Tapanari's based on the definition of Tapanari's. He look at handicap man we hustle. And put up in hand and come out every day in the orange. Every day and get up in the orange. Every day and get up in the orange. Tapanari is not, him not finding stuff in the Tapanari's definition or meaning.
Him in a class of Tapanari.
You understand me?
Me never watch him in night when he's so man. Remember me that watch him in night when he in on the platform don't have jungle where you want to call him. Me here when he see so, you know, that me have to turn around and look at my husband. So that's why me make sure I'm married to a man who labor right. I can't take it confusion. Me a labor right, my husband a labor right, and me picking them a labor right. Trust me. Me can't take it confusion.
Them business that invest in Miss Yvette. All of the business that the commerce them invest in, the billionaire them are investments where if Jamaicans fall off a shape economically, them have to go fall upon for them business to go lose their resources, pawn it or swap it with them, the type of business that them do. Them the PMP man, notice the type of business that them do. Businesses where in Jamaicans crumble, them have to fall to them the type of business. For example, Finsac have to get a look at bailout from DB&G. You understand me? So come them all crook the Japan. So them build these type of things and set up the country for benefit these things that them build. So at that they up to again. They want to come build one group again and come up with investment ideas and then set up a country to collapse where them have to go rely upon for them business idea or for them business venture. As so come then transfer wealth from poor people to them. As so come then thief resources. Set up the economy to make Jamaicans feel And then the Jamaicans have to turn to them to either pawn your land, pawn your assets, and if you can't meet certain obligations, then seize them. And that them try to set up Jamaica to fall under again. So when Andrew left now make the dolly out to keep again, him have a right get so much hate because them have to hate him. Because I'm a big son of billionaire man and comfortable in Jamaica. And that's them problem and no policy. And no man not thief no money. Then the ambulance know say the man not thieving nothing. So someone could tap man in Jamaica, farm a body now to get rid of Andrew Holness because I make wealth spread across Jamaica too fast. So for them businessman, for the PMP, big businessman, them business in now go booming again. Because why? Them a rich man in a Jamaica, but outside of Jamaica, them a monkey to so a rich man. So them have the right to use Jamaica and the Caribbean as puppet, where be poor people there. That's why you see them want secure assets in Jamaica because why? Why them not so much money? Why them not go along a foreign go invest? You're the billionaire status. Why you not go along for US dollar use go invest? No, because you have to compete with too much billionaire there stuff. You have to compete with trillionaire there stuff. So come with people poor, come with people poor and destitute, go invest. And then have to turn on and see you as God because them poor and destitute. That is the PMP. You get me? I try to show you? So them stay. People like Matalan, the amount of money them have, them shall not come out of Jamaica now and allow Jamaica to sound different Jamaicans for a band of them sector. Come out of Jamaica now. When you're rich enough. Give some different people the chance now.
Look how long them they run. A long time them they run, you know. A long time then they run to the neck of Jamaican, you know. A long time.
Yes. Then the entertainer, when they have on stage, the entertainer have one song named Squatterland. And the entertainer go as far as say, oh, them is a Matalan. And where you come from, if you own so much land in our island. That was more than just songs or words off. That was damn reality. Where this man come from to get it, me know the answer. Him get it from PMP Sweetheart Deals. So if a Sweetheart deal where them a put to Andrew and take, I hit a them problem. So them a use the media house to tear him done. Because some rich man in Jamaica, they want to use Andrew Holness, then put proposal probably indirectly and directly, some of them. And so the brother turn it down and decide to Jamaica for Jamaicans, everybody, they don't like it. So they come together with their money and I control the media and narrative about Andrew Holness this, Andrew Holness that. And I try blind the people them from performance and I try get them to value their leader based on character and not performance. It's a damn trick. Because the people were to assess Andrew Holness by performance, where Mark Golding can say to the people. So what them have to do? Target the damn man character. That can make one man have 1,000 things to say. But if you come about policy now, you know, say record shows that the PMP now have no record to boast to come back in the office. In fact, the record the PMP have in Jamaica should hate them literally so much where they not exist. And mercy then depend on Jamaica CMA because of what they do Jamaica. Then literally depend on mercy. They should exist in Jamaica based on the history with me see. Me never born in a hit, most of it, but me based on history and people confession that the party did upon mercy in Jamaica.
They shouldn't exist in Jamaica right now. And I can't understand why these people want back PMP to do what with them, what they're gonna do. And from the time I hear them I call for Mark Golding for come outlining policy. I know me can't hear nothing.
I don't want no Mark Golding policy. I want Mark Golding pack him ras back go back to England. I don't want to hear no policy from Mark. So I don't care about Rest Labor, I don't want to hear policy from Mark. No white boy, I don't want to hear your policy. Whether I good or bad, I don't want to hear your policy. I can't, I have a scripture name. I have a scripture, you know. And the scripture tell me, you know, if it's tell me, in a scripture there again. Luke 16:13. According to Luke 16:13, no man can serve two masters. He not go loyal to one. So if Mark Golding have dual citizenship, and England have a problem with Jamaica, and Jamaica have a problem with England, Mark Golding can't go strike a balance because he's loyal to two of them. So what if England have put something on Jamaica with Mark Golding being Prime Minister, and we the people say no? Mark Golding cannot say no because he's also a British citizen. And they are going to see him as what? Somebody we are fifth columnist to them. Exactly. And we not going to see him as a fifth columnist. We are going to see him as a pussy. Because we didn't know say him never Jamaican. And he come try sell we out again. Where there's a standoff between the British right now and Jamaica. With Mark Golding as Prime Minister, nothing can come out of it. Because he can't serve two masters. Luke 16:13. I do a Bible words. Really and truly, one man can't love two women equally. He might have love 180, 90 or so. Can't give the two of them 100. So I'll do a Bible scripture in Luke 16:13. Mark Golding cannot run Jamaica. I don't want to hear no policy from that man. Go back to which part of England they come from. The same England people they end the campaign for in a burial. Send him back over there.
Yeah, true. But if only him there over England a campaign and then him want come to Jamaica want come country.
Yeah,
Look at it.
policy to England. England change was the prime minister. That means they short a policy. If you are so much of a guru and you're such of a wealthy man, show them say, look, my words can be matched by my record because I'm wealthy. I can be a prime minister. God, you're gonna propose yourself to be a prime minister. Leave Jamaica. We all right.
Man, Jamaica is so
On that
alright
note,
right about
on
now.
that note,
So alright.
Gustas. On
Jamaica
that
is
note, Gustas and
coming.
Yvette.
Yes, sir.
Yvette and Gustas.
Yes,
On
sir.
that note, not that I'm cutting you guys, but would I like hear from James
Yes.
as he had came in the back.
Of course.
But
No problem.
before James come up,
Yes, sir.
James come up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Gustas, to add to the last thing I say about his wealth and achievement and going to England. Remember, you know, England is failing and England say America can take some lesson from Jamaica. So I think England can go England and go show England how it's done too.
But he can't show them nothing kind of know what we done right now. Why Prime Minister do a puzzle him? They don't know what we do. Them don't know. Them still don't know.
Understand? Anyway,
Puzzle him.
James.
Yes. Anyway, take good care of yourself.
Don't run, you know, don't run.
Forward you and you and Chris can have the floor. Yeah, man, because we're there. I'm it, you know.
I'm listening. I always been listening. I'm listening.
James, are you there?
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Pick up yourself.
Bless up
Anything
on
you have
yourself, bless
to
up.
add to the discussion?
Yes, man, I will ask one. Me always have things here to them thing, you know, because you see right now, me want, hey, be happy with what you're saying, brother. You like if say if you pack him bag and go, we're supposed to go for him and hold him by a collar and carry him, go put him on the boat. Just drag him and can't go put him on the boat. Now, white boy not go run Jamaica again.
But policy,
You
but I
understand?
want to hear Mark Goli. But what are the policies that Mark Goli? I don't want to hear no policies from the boy.
You know, policy
Boy,
from
go
him.
back to England.
We don't want to hear no policy from no slave master. What policy? You understand? First of all, let me tell you something. I'll tell you this. I'm want all of the people to listen to this. PMP, them don't have no ambition to build no country. That's number one. Because the first thing, if you go back to the 70s when Michael Mann come in with the agriculture thing, right? These are the same people them when give money. We are talking about Michael say if you work and feed yourself. Give money to plant corn and cassava. And then thief up money and buy bike and all them things you no plan on. You understand? So you see how long these people are bring down Jamaica? You see how long? These
Man, they
people
have so much money. Why they not leave Jamaica alone, go invest in some other country where money are pop done and money bigger? You have so much money. Why are we they want to use as guinea pig to secure their wealth? Why they want to use we as slaughter to the lamb to go secure for them wealth? Enough is enough.
They don't have no money.
At time for people open up their ear, enough is enough. Try to make them a rich man are richer than how they rich before. Galang back the whole of them. Mark Gold and the whole of them. Galang back where them a come from. Love Jamaica make Andrews do him a do. I make Jamaicans continue to prosper. Come off of Jamaicans back my brethren. How much years them a inherit off of we brethren? They have much business. We make millions of Jamaican dollars off of we. Make the boy them go on now. Bunting and the whole of them pack them bags and go on.
But them farmer leader, you see a black man time now, you know, so then it come like they no see it. Them blind. They no see a free time now.
And
this will never
ask that man
this
to
will
no
never go back
policy.
in a
I
white
not
man.
champion no argument. I not support no argument to ask Mark Gold for policy. You see, every argument to ask Mark Gold if he pack him bag and leave Jamaica current affairs and go, I back that the argument the 1,000. I don't want to hear this man policy. For why?
1 million.
I don't want to hear no
1
fifth calamity
million
boy
time.
policy. No fifth calamity boy policy. Me no want to hear. I don't want to hear nothing from you.
When a white man a slave master go say one come rule with that. The first thing a man go, I bring back slavery, go and put on chain around my neck. What kind of rubbish that? Eh? Your grandfather was a slave owner in Jamaica. And at that you can't come show Jamaican people. And some of we black people is so dumb and literate. We turn up and a jump and a laugh about that. Eh? But you have to remember too, you know. So most of them people, you know, is a descent from the slave where them in company ship and a beat our fourth parents too, you know. So then still, we still have some of them, you know. We still have some of them in
Them
Jamaica.
are offsprings of slave masters and farmer colonial masters. Mark
Yeah.
Golden is no exception. Here the damn Jamaicans them. Mark Golden rich already. Then Jackass, the wealth where him can inherit. Half of the back of him and your four parents work.
Exactly.
After we four parents work. Turn them the boy the pooper in a wealthy millionaire. How do we know how no history of them business venture? As we build them the people the wealth, then come and both but with the same wealth where three four parents build in a sweat and
Bill and give
tears.
to them.
A three four parents sweat and tears build Mark Golden family wealth. And like I say, boy, get up and invest and just magically get rich because I invest. Hard labor of black people. Give them a boy a family then wealth. So I want to come back to know about Mark Golden rich already. Rich already, yes.
Mhm.
Rich already, yes. Because why? Because them damn four parents were slave drivers. Slave drivers they control the wealth and signal black people. So they have a right. Say the man wealthy already. Wealthy from what? Where wealth did that come from? We don't come about how he did wealthy before and he born in a wealth. Where people them get feed them wealth from based on error, feed them the people that go find themselves in a slavery time. That means that black people efforts give them feed them wealth. And I see them black people know them a come back and try use to keep it. Go and go compete with other billionaires because see how strong you be. You say you're a brain guru in a finance. Take your billions and see go invest amongst other billionaires because see how good you be. Because you have business that fail. So a perfect example. If in fact you have a business that fail, it even stronger my argument say, look, them your boy you can't go far and go invest. They're afraid to lose. Because too much other giants there with more money than them, billionaires and
Them not the
trillionaires.
money.
They're
Them
not a
people-
monkey
them
money they have compared to some other rich man.
Exactly.
So that's why
That's
they
why you
want
should
to
have-
use
that's why you should have-
Jamaica now to keep feed them wealth.
All right. All right.
Baby money they have to some
Alright.
Canadian millionaire. Baby money they have to some English billionaire. And they want to use way to keep the wealth that they have out here. It's not going to happen. 5 by 1 seat, go back to parliament, it will not happen.
It's not gonna happen, man. It will not happen. And if it happen, we will start a revolution. Trust me. If it happen, we will start a revolution.
Give me that people. I come both Bob Manuel. And if you're so damn rich, can a foreign country compete with other billionaires? At that time you go richer, you're damn ass. You don't try to keep your wealth of a poor people. And if they're so poor, why invest amongst these poor? They're so destitute and desperate. Why invest amongst them? Why not put
Exactly.
yourself in the world where more opportunity there? Go on with the millions, go show people, say, yeah, man, me a guru financially. You have your head to back it according to you. And you have money to back it. Why make a Jamaica have to be the way out for your investment? Explain to the people. Because you can't compete with other billionaires. You can't compete with the other billionaires, them are foreign.
He's a
So
bloody
Jamaica
pedophile.
and Bahamas no must secure your wealth. Jamaica and Bahamas must secure your wealth. Yes, because I have to idiot them there. So you come, oh, comrade, time come. Yes, because you know, so we are damn idiot. Because that's how black people do. No, if make themselves damn poorer and make people like Mark Golden richer and fucking richer. You get me? Because these boys have millions. Why not send these boys go to different countries and millions of dash out? Them are nobody to Jeff Bezos. They are nobody to them man there. But in the Caribbean, you see them as giant. Because so much poor people in the Caribbean, when you see people like Mark Golden, you see them as giant. You see them as God. Because we used to pour in it so much. We not used to see successful black man and black woman run with. So when you see people like Mark Golden and it, people will feel shocked and frightened for them. Why we don't know so them are abused and my brethren. These men have so much money. Mark Golden, you are English and you have so much money. And you say you're so educated. You have interest in a business still because you still have business. Why not go invest your money amongst other millionaires and billionaires? Why you want to invest in the country where you say nothing not go on in? Why you want to invest in a region where you say nothing not go on in? Explain to the people then what you're up to.
Yeah, man. For real.
We're not going richer than this. We get reminded of younger generation say we're rich already for our four parents. We're not rich again.
Let's up yourself, Black King.
Don't thief mama and papa money.
Yes,
And not
brother.
thief my money. You hear that?
Good day, labor rights. To add a little bit to what Delroy was saying, my question is when him leave, was it just campaigning or was it voting that he left for?
That's a very good question, you know.
Anything
It
we
might
do,
come up from.
it's not smooth. Anything we do is a cheese not smooth. For fact, then did a masquerade was an insult to Jamaica whilst we are trying to break ourselves from these people. That was a cheese not smooth. Let me tell you how me know. You see the vice versa, if I did England I try to break free from Jamaica and one of them the high English men come out and come masquerade like Mark Golding. Accept we. How if you accept the Mark Gold in their foreign campaign for people who are against we, are people we are trying to free we still from. So how if the opposite happen, Mark Gold in a problem with the British. So how we as the people that are so fool my brethren, if we have a man advice for our office and I put up a resistance from a people we are trying to free ourselves from, you go as far as insult the people by even going as far as campaigning in an election, whether not you vote or not. The fact you're going to campaign is a direct insult to the race we are left from where you claim so you love. Remember that. So that in itself alone, home discussion was an insult to the Jamaican people.
I
because
agree
the
with you,
opposite
sir.
way
I agree
around
with
could
you.
have never happened.
I agree with you, sir.
100%.
100%.
No political man vying for political high office in England. If I did them have a problem with Jamaica, none of them could have come masquerade in no election out here. None. The English would never have it. They would never have it. I mean, want anybody with all American proof that could have possible. If any Englishman go to England go medal in a US election, if he can't put back in favor of England again, conflict of interest, you got to go.
So true.
So true. So well speak, sir. So well spoken.
Now give up your citizenship and you come back and put up a blockage to the road to Republic and then you insult us further by campaigning for the same people them. Oh Jamaican, all the comrades them so blind. How this comrade them so blind everybody can see. Everybody else can see, but this comrade them so blind.
No, because black people hate them one self, you know, brother. That you have to understand, you know. Most black people hate themselves, you know. That's why you see them a fight against a prime minister, so you know, because hate themselves, you know. You know, like
the media no see.
them won't
The media them no see that. The media no have nothing to do with that.
No, because remember say media controlled by Mark Golding people, them, you know.
Yeah, man.
All of them
They
people,
not see
PMP
that,
them, you know.
They won't see
They
that.
not
They
go
not
see
see
it.
them there's something there.
No, they wouldn't see that, man.
They not see them there's something there. Boy, me I tell
They
you.
can't do all this in go over the go do it. Hey, blood.
Jesus
They would have
Christ.
hang him. They would have hang him already.
My God. Okay, guys, you can take me down out of the box now. I'll drop you now and then when I have the time.
Yeah, on the bless up on yourself too, you know, cause I just come in from work, so get myself search out. And then we
Yeah,
can
man,
chip in back later.
Have a good day and keep up the good work. You know?
Can't go out, you know. I mean,
All
the
right.
might have just temporary dim, but can't go out in our campaign here. And we will not
right.
have the PMP. We will not have it. Then
We
now
not
get this thing
no,
like
man.
say them. What do you, brother?
All right, sir.
Must be man.
None of
Madman.
it. You won't have none of it.
I am right behind you, Delroy. No less, nothing less. I am with you every step of the way upon that one there.
But on to a raging fire inferno. So all I want to talk about call it Andrew call it like on the things that we just like go get up to the polls. And we have to sleep, go to the we're not sleeping to the polls. We can remind on these comrades. But call it Andrew call it. Don't think we as Labour go sleep to the polls. We're not sleeping to the polls. This ain't gonna be no roll over to the polls. We are gonna show quality for people and explain it to them. I'm telling you that.
Built by labor. Jamaica has always been built by labor. Remember that? We don't say backwards, you know. We say front.
Also not come about time come like we think
Forward.
people. We're not scared. We're not scared. We're not scared of nobody we are telling Andrew what to call it. Because I know that God not sleep. God are not idiot. God not sleep. So all of who call it, me not scared. Me know that wait the man them a wait for enough things to just finish. Because me know that them themselves not scared either, my brethren. Why you not scared after you outperform every other administration? Why you afraid after you perform more for the people using their tax dollars and borrow from Peter to pay Paul. It is obvious the JLP have a vision and they make most of it come to fruition. You think a cowardness? How you be coward until you have so much substance? What kind of thing go like that? No man not so coward when you're full of so much ammunition. So to roll over. And more said this not land. You see Cliff Hughes, anybody will give him the data about the MP or you hear me a masquerade, Delroy solely. Anybody will give him the data, say solely might lose to the Jets. May have a message for you, hear Mr. Hughes? We have a message for you, I will not tell you. We're going to use the polls and show no lessons to lion to Jamaicans. Stop with them fake polls. What Mr. Solely, how Mr. Solely fit them behind in terms of Jets? Where Jets come from? Where the track record Jets come from here, we come here with a put to people, where PMP do for naughties, why they must give she a chance? Why she must get a chance when the Roger Clark born amongst the people, them and could start them problem? Tell us how you be magically come from Clarendon after Mike and you flag you 2 times to leak a jet. Tell the people them what kind of solution you have for them in the Northeast St. Elizabeth. To make Cliff Hughes have you up, think that you are going to be an MP in the Northeast. Not a rat. You're going to go right back to Clarendon and we're going to tell you that. Anybody else can say for them portion, we just have to put a disclaimer there out there, Virgin. So anybody we are giving a look at poll so all who are run up and done with the road breakaway and a talk about how solely and we care about one part of Northeast St. Elizabeth. Damn right, because you got a chance for representation and reject representation by 1,000 solid vote in a one part of Northeast St. Elizabeth to the PMP. And most of the problem now we're not having a Northeast St. Elizabeth lies within parish council. Most of the problem they want to have lies within the parish council where you not give up. And then now I come and tell people internet-wise how solely on go keep about one side. Move! You might have to work with the people who are work with him. Backbench, you know. And if I say I have to go win, so be it. Backbench, you know. And in backbench, you know, I win already. And I'm going to go backbench, you know, I win again. Because unfair and wicked.
Gusto, so hold on, let me ask a question. Because I just said that I know I had a question I've been for asking with you, know. Who are the councillor for Black River Division?
Nobody Black River Party, no, I can't make somebody from that side I can tell you.
No,
That side I can tell you family.
Balaclava.
The councillor for the name Everton Fisher. Everton Fisher. And the next one is Champion Myers. None of them have the track record. Only thing people can tell about them are what them get personally.
Hold on, Everton Fisher, now long time councillor.
Long time councillor, no track record, and I would then give people.
If I can remember, hold on, if I can remember, wasn't he also either mayor or deputy mayor?
Was the mayor at one point.
Was the mayor at one time. So he is aligned to which party?
The People's National Worthless Party. The only national worthless party of Jamaica. The champion disgrace of Jamaica party.
Hold on, let me ask the question, no man. Because if you ask the question forward there. So the piece of road will run from Balaclava to Silo, where we see the show say cut off. Who for division in
our MP division. At division,
Hold
on, me, you ask about it, I give you some disclaimer upon it now. You see the era now, let me talk with who listen. All of who, we are come bash the MP for the road breakaway in Raheen, Northeast St. Elizabeth. That road breakaway has been there before slowly became MP. People of Northeast St. Elizabeth can attest to that. The only thing is, after 2020, the whole got worse. This is a thoroughfare that your councillor for the People's National Party drive past daily, nightly. Why? Because he doesn't live in the division to which he's a councillor. So you have to traverse literally through that area alone, go in yard and come from it. But me just say, you know, living in the area where I'm a councillor,
and that's why I was asking about the division and not the constituency.
Right. And him drive past it from time the people and put cane. From cane in the hole. From cane where the people are putting in the liquor hole and they did liquor. All of who used to pass at the whole they go a party in 2020 now when the place they pan lockdown. You remember good because now I say no memory short. Member said the thing exists there before it solely on MP. And do you use the sabotage we call it NWA people, they might try to delay the project. We are not idiot. We know that we don't have no operatives them in the NWA try derail and want the project done to make the MP look bad. It was a solid year and a half before Soli turned MP, the whole breakaway in a Raheen. We want to sleep on all about TikTok. It did it for a long time from PMP in the office, and the councillor drive past it night and day.
Augustus, and that's why me why you call out the councillor name, and me I try get you to that.
Councillor Hardy Myers in the Northeast Division. You drive past the Rahim breakaway nightly and daily from it first started in 2019. Way before Soli turned MP, and you have no video, no document to show that they ever reach out to the NWA. And then Soli win and turn MP and still first you to the NWA. You come and masquerade now with Zulika just like so you think people are idiot. We are watch you, and it will not happen. Northeast now go back and found a dirty control. Never. And for the market do you build, Mr. Myers, the market do you build in the Appleton Estate, more the IT audit because you say it costs much $1 million and now we can't use. One little place come like I want to go say stand for your wash face. Appleton Estate there, the market where you say $12 million bill. If you go Appleton Estate now and look on the market and take $12 million bill, the IC better ask where the rest of money there. You know who give clip use them the information about Zulika Jess. Rank on the rank. Because Solia perform. Solia going to value for the money. Never seen before. I don't even want to take over Black King Live. I two champions slowly to you. I don't know thing.
Talk your talk, brother.
Nah, man, brother, talk your talk, man. I'm here doing something anyway, so go and talk your talk, brother.
Talk your talk.
If the man do a good work, you have to talk it, you know.
I'm going to show you something. I'm going to say PMP can't go for this place. I want to come, but Soli must go now. But Soli, I'm going to show you something. Listen to these names. We have people like Jerome Taylor, Nikita Miller, Princess Brown, female referee, Orion Barrett. These type of people come from Northeast St. Elizabeth. Ask PMP to show one award or one plaque to give to these upstanding Jamaicans for their achievement and uplift and motivate others. Ask them for sure what they do for the alma mater of these schools where then sports people that come from, where they couldn't bust in because they never so academically inclined. Where the contribution will go back and make in their school of sports facilities, none. And so they come against all kind of school grants and sitting primary school and high school alike. Look how long I sit down on boy about PMP, country PMP division. That's not taking around the place how long. I go like a leadership when they take around the place. Go ahead. I know I call some boy name, or some boy get up every day. No, so they never used to work. And go a parish council collect check from council every time. Like on our work. Like a phone the tax dollars. Like on that put in effort for tax dollars. Go ahead. A long time, don't have the country and this division are holding the place. And solely come and make tax dollars talk, when you come and talk about solely on go care about one side and Northeast. One side, yes, because the man give us 4 fucking councillor attempt and only give him 1. I remember they don't want to exist before solely win. So how you come and talk about solely care about one side? Tell the Jamaican people what the councillor them do. Show them what the councillor do and say this is what the MP should run do. That's when if you do it, and you come and ask people where the MP do. Show them how the councillor them do. Then you say, all right, then when you can chat up on the stink mode. When you know a record for show for the councillor, but you know want bash MP.
So Gustus, me kinda want have a clearer understanding. Who was the last 2 PNP MP and what was their position in parliament?
Wonderful question. Very good question. You see, just like how somebody said the PNP love fire, well, they love fire for sure. Raymond Price, we're going to start with one of the most recent one. And when the PNP had Raymond Price, let me tell you this as a labor right now. That boy, put aside the fish thing, when he was MP for this division, the boy can see how the thing stay. And best believe it, and I'm going to be biased. You see, then listen to the plans of that boy for Northeast St. Elizabeth back them time there. You see, if that boy did get a chance to stay here, not even Labour get a chance as MP here. You know what the comrades them do? When the guy decides them, I'm going to give them policy out of hardship, them block road, go back on TVJ archives, go check it for yourself. Fire all boat in a St. Elizabeth Northeast, road block, say Raymond Price must go. Why? Because he got talk how much money Porsche game and how much he used on election and then it vex. Them vex they never get the money in them pocket. And the guy lay out some policies they have in place. Them never want to hear about policies. All they need care about was money to them pocket, and they want people to vote against solely against far. Just like how them black roads to get rid of their own, them no want nothing good, not a division and more than handout and social benefit. They live from part like Ras. Come anybody in the Northeast come ask about Roger Clark. And ask anybody from Balaclava to Silo to Appleton. Ask them where Roger Clark said him have left go Westmoreland and want to get him as MP. Ask them why the man said he will not go for re-election in a comfort zone. Think about it. When the man left Northeast, I better spread this of the PMP because them a government, them a everything. And the man words for leaving according to people said them the people don't want nothing good. Me here say man give them goat, he give them black machine, he give them cow, all of who he give them a sickness, sell them out. Man get black machine, sell them out. The man run from Northeast St. Elizabeth as a MP, say the people them don't want nothing. I suck come in go to Westmoreland. Let me tell you that. Good. Here they come but they vex it solely. I will then not get personally. The system I work for them. But I will them not get personally because I will then did used to. So I hit a bother them. Me don't know why them people a problem, but they not go get Northeast sent to this, but I don't know who get confused and news there. But brethren, we have some things that work and we're not here about. And we have some things that do behind the scenes. So keep watching on. Keep watching on, your Mark Golden. Keep watching on. Because we have a message to send you from Northeast St. Elizabeth. Keep watching on and fooling yourselves. We win this already as JLP with Uno have 3 councillors. And we're going to win it back and retain this in a style. And Uno still going to have Uno 3 councillors. And we still going to win. Mark these words. You know what assistance with the solely people? Solely I help people from out and hardware. A Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. For him a campaign as independent solely I help no found no. No found no. Never get so much assistance found a political representative before. Solely help on the farm before politics. That's why I found no conscience it bother on the say they have to give him a vote or stand down for making him win. So how after that sudden become this monster? How our person become this failing MP? We just barely get a chance to represent in home parish. People went born and grew amongst. But you know what I can swap him now. You know what I can swap him for Monkey or Zulika Jess. Like some intelligent people don't come out of Northeast St. Elizabeth. PMP we go. I'm gonna find good candidate and people from Northeast St. Elizabeth we go too. Come out of people from out of Northeast St. Elizabeth go to college. Eh? People out to go to foreign a college. So we're not saying no bright. No vision for Northeast. Mountain we have no much surf ticket. So why are we clearing and found a solution have to come from? So we sound that means we're not dunks then. We know most dunks. Like every time we want an MP, we out of Juki Academy come from. I know we get one from the soil. We know I can't have problem. Go and go wise up our sense. I should say living bad mind we don't have. Because we don't love to say we own rights. That's why people like Zulika just can't feel like she have a chance. But the amount of people educated and go to college. Why none of them never show up on the head? So now go run as MP, but you don't feel like stranger have no solution magically. Fuck you, so no. We are on the election day and on a war, a peace, member. So this and so that. One woman on TikTok stop at the road breakaway. Have the Raheen road breakaway. She stopped there. And a showcase about how look at where people have to be driving. I wonder if the coaster can go there. I don't ever see that video there. We are circulating about Northeast. I know that the woman don't show the mall heaps. The woman don't show the mall heaps. She don't show the caution tape. She don't show the sign with the detour, road closed. She don't show the sign with the road closed. She did not show the sign say road closed. She not show the mall heap in the video say road closed. She got there and squeezed in the video and I thought about this is where people have to be driving and the road was deemed fucking impassable and closed with physical signage to show. So the road closed and yet the woman stopped there to make political mischief to try to discredit the MP, them now work. My brethren, the MP makes several attempts to get this road fixed and the NWA and its contractor at them a hold up the work. And a PMP them big, but them a hold up the Raheen work in the Northeast St. Elizabeth. Because I know I tried to discredit the MP to make it look like he now work. On the damn well I know say on operatives them in the NWA I delay the work. You hear and then I come make it look like the MP now and do enough. The MP is doing damn a lot. And I just time more the man who have to do some more things. Tell me, I tell you that. I hear in the control Northeast St. Elizabeth. Up to now, people are fair. Run out of boy. Run. Go more be go look employment. Wanna do for boy. Wanna do for the people in boy. Wanna do for Northeast. Nothing. And people are fair. Run out of place go look work. And now you think I not change a little bit. No, I know I can pressure you look at one MP with Santa Cruz, born and bred in a Santa Cruz. For stranger we come from Clarinet, and none of bright. All I want to go a man roof and Northeast St. Elizabeth. We are comrade. Only not good enough. So why a stranger who have to recruit? Phone head not good enough to run phone the place. Or a bad man who have against no one another. Pay 51 on their own, reach to a height. Why a stranger PMP have sent Congo from Clarendon? Where she having a fear head? Where phone the family member, them and friend not having a fear for them head. But she not have a solution phone because she don't know about no hardship. Now how it start. Slowly born boy. I feel I mean want to the part of the thing, but I feel like I can run in. Be a big bees now on the face there.
Me kind of miss out everything, you know, because me get a call. But me not go ask if you go back over it. But, you know, from what I know, you have one man down. He was a minister. Right? Then you have another man who was a state minister. And you said the last one was a minister too, no sir?
Basically, was the last man who come there and slowly flag him, send him back home. Anyway, you take it to them. That was a good face off. 2 cents, man. Nothing wrong with that. But just is a no. Can't work. It will not happen. Basically, it was a sentiment, man. You know,
It's a St. Elizabeth for St. Elizabeth people.
So you mean St. Elizabeth people will not sell out boy. You hear me? I tell you, so you keep on hate on off your Andrew on this one side there. Because nobody think you not go use that and come try to get people to hate Mr. Slowly. You can't set up the people them. The people them are not fool, them are see performance. But you come now like you can't control minds. Fake poll, fake information. People not damn that. How people dash them best? Who go them information there?
Well, on the Gusto. So you're saying that Southeast St. Elizabeth have a St. Elizabeth man?
Bonnie with a St. Elizabeth man. Flight, St. Elizabeth man. Ochi, Senti man. Slowly, Senti man. Even the previous BMP MP, Evan Redman, was a blood-cleat Senti man born and bred. So I don't know who come work magic after.
What you say? Not over in a dead body.
Man, we will not have it, and the people must say it. I treat them at oi. You see, the idiot get tricked by the local government election. The idiot never remember that the local government election result was what it was back then in 2020 and solely come out as the victor. You know, matter of margin, the man came out as the victor. You get me? So that was a fake thing. To come make it look like the local government election make things suddenly shift. Nonsense. The man win it with the result like that already. And based on Clifford's argument, he might judge it and I support the arguments based on the local government election results. Listen to me, man. In a local government election in Northeast St. Elizabeth, all people vote for councillor because they see them daily. And even like a political, they vote for them or performance. Or just because they see them daily. You hear me? The same people they do it and labor right them. Some labor will get too close to the councillor. So they start as sympathetic with them, then give them all them vote. And like I said, the people are not switch over. They're not big time switch over go on. Some of them are who fool him. I can see they are real novice to politics. Mark Golin. A real novice to frontline politics. I will thief long time. But when it comes to frontline politics, they can't say I live in only idiot that.
So let me ask. Are the same amount of councillor that was there is still there, right?
Same amount of councillor, none of the result not change. Some of them are who fool him. In fact, the last JLP councillor that lost, regardless of the margin he lost by, Fuck, the losing margin increase. Feed them buck. They never pass 1600. And this is your bedrock. You're in your bedrock. We've got more than 1600 people. And you could have hardly get 1600 properly. And you know, safe seat for a long time. A lack of representation, JLP, go sub up on the back pedal, so. Enough people there have to take it from them for a long time. A highly Labour Party never oil its machinery properly in this place. Because all of the councils lose with higher losing margin than every other councillor before them. Every losing councillor for the JLP in the last local government election lost with a bigger number than every other defeat. Or anybody else to get defeated before. Numbers are climb.
That's what we're talking about, brother. That's what we're talking
My
about.
biggest dip to, noticeably, Valdino Pengs lost big time. However, the man increased the losing margin by almost 200 votes. Mark those words. Barely coming into the place, new to the place, hard to get a chance to chat up with people good. Could have do some things better and still increasing losing margin. I don't know who fool Mark Gold and his statistician them. I don't know who fool them. Breathe it, no man, because you know the ball game going on, man. I say 2025, you know. No backing down, no retreat, no surrender, you know. Hammer me head for my country. Me I do this for my country. Personally, me can go look work and good. I don't give a fuck about politics or what. But me see where a man and a government a try leave my country in a part where me have to pay attention to it and get involved. You get me? Current affairs, me have to stay aligned with that. And when me see a government and manage a country's current affairs properly, be it Jamaica or outside of, man, me always support them type of government there. And me have it right on my foot. So that's why me there start trumpet the thing. For me MP, because he's a performer. And me a trumpet the thing for the government because of performance.
Gustavs, did you ever get a link with the group that you wanted to?
No! Never make no attempt to go in it, you know. To be honest, never lie to you. I'm never gonna further than when I say it on the live. No move me never make.
Okay. But you never get no link, none at all?
No, nobody never give me no link either too, you know.
You know, sir, I think we may hear about somebody in a Manchester, you know, and how to link you. I don't remember how that conversation they go. Because for a long time, I think you better get the information. Because I tell somebody, better talk on the live, so them to tell you. So I think you better get the information. But
No, I never get it still.
But you still
user who's going up again slowly. Well, the lady with Mike Henry step on him body and flag 2 times. The person we are go up against slowly. She born and grown in Clarendon and she went up against her elder. She's much younger, but yet the people them still send a message to her twice. Say them don't want her. But PMP must come dump her as rubbish in a naughty St. Elizabeth, thinking that we are going to recycle the rubbish. We no recycle garbage. Ask Stern Spencer if he can come back, boy, I can run. We no recycle garbage.
Nah, man. I have to say that, Gustavs. That's not that, man.
No recycle garbage. If your own people reject you, your own current and people reject you, that means you are garbage to them. PMP, you can dump in a naughty St. Elizabeth, think the people are going to recycle you. We not going to recycle you and we not going to revitalize you. We not revitalize dead. And we not take up dead out of cemetery. So nobody think PMP will take a look at dead body, send it down here so. Think that we there so figure you back live. No live. You not going to use your other means to parliament. You going to see parliament, you do leak a jet. And you better see that door there where parliament have. And if I even buy 2 votes, you better wish that parliament well. And them from Mobile tell them I come up and vote for Solely. No joke. Long time the man them left from boy, you hear? And enough things that go on with dirty cliff use them not know about. So shut in the mouth. The people them good, people them love what the MP are going with them time on their social media and see it and say they have to come get the man a vote. I own a man. Through the people that come vote for much election, don't think they're not relevant. Them exist. Them exist and they still works and say them a come up and get the MP a vote because St. Elizabeth Northeastern never see so much performance under no MP before. Member good.
And let me ask you a question, because since you say them are come from different places, are these a set of people who got opportunity outside of the constituency because
Because of hardship, them have to left here. Them have to left here, yes. And them, because how long PMP have been placed in a bandage, them have to left here like they hear news. Some of them don't come back in 10 years. Some of them don't go pass through back here. And they time on social media, thank God the MP post him work. The people them say, like what I go on and show me a trumpet him and they say, I regularly respond to messages, man. I say, yo, you say, me see what the MP they are going on with you, big man thing. I'm not doing a politics thing, you know. But look at me, I'm going to give the MP their vote in the dark because I see some things that go on with me like, brother. And the man them accept it and say them out, get them on a try. And then do it already and them out do it again.
and you say if all these opportunities, but hold on, look at a place like Santa Cruz, prime spot, a prime spot, you know, for major development, you know, because most of the people who are living like from the west, from the east to the west, you know, go through St. Elizabeth, go through Santa Cruz. Why Santa Cruz stay down for so long?
Bad government, bad governance, bad MP representation.
Foresight, you open your mic, you look like you want to say something.
Northeast St. Elizabeth, a transform, brother. Or some town when me see we used to dead like Magati them town there. Like yeah, we have some revival.
Balaclava town, lively, some of the small
Baklava
dead town,
town,
them town the dead and
revival
buried.
some of the town them where yeah,
Them
Baklava.
town and buried
Yeah.
foresight and finally they get resurrected again, talk again still.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The young people them have to open up their eyes, man, and see, man. Because what really are happening, you know, is that for years used to have like a shift towards the cities, you know, because nothing ever they are going for rural development. So for the first time now, we start seeing some activity, you know, in terms of rural development. So you can get job now in a them parish, rather than everybody have to run come a town, come pack up, where houses are, the house prices are high and the opportunities are available. But now when you have a rural development right across the highland, you're bringing the opportunities now in the parish itself. So that you don't really have to have that migration, that massive migration to Kingston again. Right? This is something that we have to look at, right? This is something we have to encourage this kind of development. Look what going on St. Thomas, right? Ground just broke what they have for Portland, Brown Book, right? We have to encourage this, brother. We can't change our course, brother. We have to continue on this path, right? We have to continue, brother.
Right now, as far as me see, as far
Yeah man, go through no DM, you say something? No, I mean, you not know that too, you know.